What is up, guys? Check it out, man. I'm not doing a whole lot outside today. Rain, beautiful rain, but there's plenty of it, so we're just gonna let all that be out there. We're here in the trap shack. I'm gonna get this flipped around and show you what we're working on, and it is the air ride for the mini truck, by the way. I had to get cleaned up, guys. I was looking pretty woolery. My hair was getting crazy. It's getting nice outside. I needed a haircut and a shave, so it was definitely due, guys. So I did that this morning while I was waiting for the rain to stop, but it didn't. So, you know, we got that done, so we're just gonna keep on trapping and keep doing it. But anyway, there's a trap blazer. I love that thing, man. It rides nice. But anyway, we're gonna get this flipped around and I'll show you what I got going on with the air ride today. All right, trappers, I got the rack and all the stuff set up here. I got the air tanks removed. Actually, I left these set in the back of the truck last night. I didn't really want to haul them in, but it's all the old valves and stuff that came off. They do work okay. Man, that thing is heavy, guys. I'll be damned. I had a hard time getting these out. Trevor was here. He helped me. Some of the clips are broke, so, you know, I just left them in. Not that big of a deal. I don't even know what I'm doing with it exactly, but anyway, this is the front manifold. It came off. I'm not sure. I don't know why the one bolt's sticking out. I think it's just to plug up. See where it says gauge? Put an air gauge in there, whatever. But it's just to plug that up. But that's actually kind of heavy too, guys. So we got the rack down. And we got it sitting in here. The compressor's not off yet. The ground wire is just grounded to that cage. And if you guys notice, look at this. I'm going to show you what they did. Look. Those are railroad spikes, guys. They welded 4 railroad spikes in. So I don't know exactly what we'll do with this or if we'll even use it. But I do think we're going to reuse the air tanks, guys. So we're going to get these cleaned up and get these ready to go back in. And then if the rain ever ceases, we'll jump over there and we'll get a video of how we're going to mount it up and lay it out. So that'll be something to look forward to, guys. If we can get the rain let up, maybe we'll get that video this evening. But if not, we'll be back with what we got going on here with the air tanks, guys. So we will see you in the next clip. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Keep on trapping.